Miley Cyrus. It really sounds like I'm putting this on, but I'm not. It's fly out day today to New Zealand. I've got 1 hour spare before I have to drive to Tokyo. Before I completely lose my voice, thanks again to Sideways Experience and Sidex Japan for having me again for another whole month. It's been insane, and I'm looking forward to the next time, because there 100% will be another next time. Let's just get into it. I'm sorry, guys. Like Suzuki. Oh, my throat. Where's Rodney? Rodney's not here. Usually Rodney sees me off. Usually.
See you in September.
Fingers crossed. I don't know that yet.
Oh.
Fingers crossed we're back. Yeah, I'll beep it out. See you, brother.
See you, man. Good to see you again.
Morning, fellas.
How's it going?
Oh, Squid, you sound great, dude.
Oh. Shh. That's uncalled for, thank you. Oh, that's why. I'm in your way. Alright, guys, we made it to New Zealand. Oh, he's on the phone again. I can't catch him, bro. He's too busy.
Oh, shit.
Say hello, Grant.
Hello, Grant.
Righto guys, it's windy as hell and I'm slowly getting my voice back. But anyway, we're at Phoenix. I'm going to keep the talking real short because I can't. And we'll just catch up with the boys quick, so we'll cut to some B-roll. See you, boys. Sorry, I didn't talk much because I'll see you at World Time Attack. Oh no,
I'm not coming to Time Attack, but I'll see you in Melbourne.
I'll see you at World Time Attack. All right. Let's go, Chris. Oh, he's off the phone. Hey, buddy, how are you?
Buddy, how's it going? Nice to meet you.
Right. Look at this dude.
Squid took the front seat. He thinks because he's a professional drifter, he gets a nice comfy seat. But I see how it is, Squid. You put the grassroots guys in the back. You put the professional up front.
Actually, that's not true.
Sounds like it.
I'm going to put this back in the video, even though it isn't true, but...
Look at what you did to Ty, Jake. He's got to sit with his luggage on his lap.
No, you don't.
Yeah, he does.
Yeah, I do.
Close your door, you
Oh, this is a stitch up.
Hey, what's up, guys? Squid here. Might have lost my voice. All right, so I don't know if Squid's gonna put this in the video, but he shoved us in the back seat here. How is it up there in first class, Squid?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I got my heated seats on.
Oh, we're in 2.5x. All right, we're back to normal. How you feeling, Squid?
Yeah, Choctaw good.
Choctaw good. That means only a little good.
Yeah.
So he's not feeling great. I'll do the talking for you until your little baby Choctaw bitch voice gets better. Also, Squid, you still have 2 hats on, just to let you know.
Yeah, I know. I'll sort it out.
All right, where are we heading? Hamilton. We're going to.
Yeah, so next to Hamilton, stop off my friends, fast food joint, put one order.
Sick.
And then from there, we're going to a friend's workshop where they've organised a meet for us.
Cool.
So there'll be
Sweet.
a bunch of cars there. And then we'll go pick up Jake and Eason because he can't work out.
Jake keeps saying the iPhone's the problem that we're filming on right now. I think it's not the iPhone.
Yeah, it's the iPhone.
I think it's the Jake.
It's like blaming half the driver era, right?
It's like blaming a transmission for not being able to downshift, right?
Oh yeah, we'll cut to Grant right now. God damn.
God damn, boy.
God damn, there's some good looking shit. Welcome to New Zealand. How do you want the window down there? Do you think?
Down, down, Squid, down, down, down.
Yeah, the one with the lock symbol was actually the door.
Thanks, bro.
God, it's amazing that you can rap stitched up.
Hey, don't drop that.
Look. There you go, Squid. Start by taking a picture. Is what you do.
Oh yeah, you do the do that. Oh, no chopsticks here, bro.
This is the best burger I've had overseas.
Oh shit.
Oh,
That's a.
You want to say it again?
winner. Oh, you're gonna have to roll me back to the car. What do you think, Grant?
I'm shocked how many people showed up at 1 p.m. on a Thursday. It's really cool. It's Squid working on his RB26.
That's actually quite funny.
Oh, I just gotta tighten the head drain.
You, Grant.
Oh.
Get ready. Damn it. Right now. Oh.
It's a golf course.
Is that his own?
Oh, next up.
Fucking straight go dog. Jesus.
Oh.
That was... Oh, big sheep. Hey, look at this.
How are we? Look, you made it to a beautiful place.
Oh, first beep already.
Bro, you want to hang out with me? You want to hang out with me, bro? You're going to be beep, 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 beep. I'll do my best. I'll do my
Okay,
best.
quick intro.
Hey, Squid.
You.
For those that
So
don't
my
know,
name is Guy Maxwell. I am that choice guy on Instagram, and
just to you.
I let Jimmy and Rome had come out earlier in the year and drove some of our cars, and now
And that
this
went
lot-
so well.
absolutely no damage.
No damage.
No
So he
damage.
invited us savages out
Yeah,
here.
no damage. So we've got another set of imports, and we'll see what happens. It's gonna be fun. Like the cars are pretty much good to go. One has no engine at the moment. One's good to go. One's already at the track. So,
There's
yeah.
no engine.
So-
Yours is good at the track, right?
Hey, and it doesn't have a rear bumper, so it's one part of the body kit that don't need to fuck up.
Yeah, it didn't have a rear bumper, but it still had a bash bar, and Jimmy cleaned it off.
Jimmy.
So,
Oh god.
but it's all good.
We're gonna do a full overview on the cars when I
Yeah,
got my voice.
we'll catch up with them in about an hour or so. We'll go down to the workshop.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh okay, cool. Anyway, you're putting us all up in your house for the night, so
It's all good.
I thought I'd just.
The kids are at grandma's, and the new kids are in town. And
Kids are here. It's perfect. Yeah.
Anyway, I'm gonna shut up because everyone's gonna be sick of this voice, but we'll be back. Okay. All I want you to do
Yeah.
is go from it's in second now.
Okay.
Just pretend you're putting the clutch in. You go on a third.
Can I push the clutch in? Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, how good. That's a G-Force GSR, baby.
Are you kidding me?
It's spring loaded.
I've been dealing with misshifting for 7 years when this was available.
Yeah, you just got to spend a few $1,000s and you're on.
It's the best. Go. It's
Oh
the best.
my
Wait till you drive
God.
it. The other day, I was in second. I was like, oh my God,
It's
that's
the best.
just amazing.
It is the best.
That was
Now you know
That's
what?
third? Like
Yeah.
that?
Just straight up.
Shut up.
You cannot get into first from second, like, bro.
Is that the
So
same
none
as-
of your friends have let you drive their G-Force?
I've never asked.
You need to have better friends.
Yeah.
You got a G-Force from the Sunny, don't you?
Yeah, and the Beamer.
Yeah. Oh, the Beamer.
Yeah, they're freaking.
Good.
They're the best.
That's third? Oh my God, it is third.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Tell
Sorry.
Jason right now, up your game, boy. Tell him.
No, I need to up my game.
Yeah, well, so does Jason.
I need to up my game.
No more RB25 housings, mate. G-Force.
What about first to second? Can you go to fourth by accident or no?
No, because you just smash it down like a. That's why they call the rock crusher.
I'm annoyed now.
You wait till you drive it. You'll get out. You're gonna. Oh, I can't wait. I'm coming passenger.
Bangers.
Yeah, I know.
What is it?
Bangers.
Bangers
Bangers.
and mash.
Bangers and mash.
And cheesy vegetable drink.
Yes.
Well, you don't get dinner for you anymore, Jake.
I know you're busy, mate. You're always busy. But can you please explain where we are? Because I can't talk.
We're in Rotorua, New Zealand.
Hey, how do you say that, Grant?
Rotorua.
Everyone here is going to say it differently.
No, I can say it. I can say it. Rotorua.
Yeah, we'll
Oh,
say,
you
say
got
it
it.
properly then. Rotorua.
Rotorua.
Hey, there you go. Yay.
It sounds like you're from Paris.
It's Russia.
Because is it because you've been driving something lately?
Yes. RBs.
I don't know what if I've been driving.
Ferrari.
Oh, Ferrari! Unbelievable. I can't believe I forgot about that.
Oh, so
Sorry, Suzuki-san, we love you. Ferraris.
Hey, look, they got.
What are you doing, Squid? How are you feeling?
What do you think?
It's a drift car. I love drift cars.
Yeah, but it's RB.
What?
It's RB.
Okay, I'm gonna make a rule with you and them. I will admit that I like this car Sunday night if it still works.
Oh, that's rude.
Deal?
That's rude.
Deal or no deal?
Of course it will. It's got dry sump.
I like it.
That's a dry sump. It'll last. What do you think?
What do you say?
Yeah.
What do you think? You're the RV guy.
I like that, but I'd change a lot.
Hey, Squid, I'd change a lot about you if I could too. I'm kidding. The only thing I would change about you, Squid, is to get your throat feeling better. Because you've been a little sassy today, right, Ty?
A little chutto.
You've been choco sassy today. Choco sassy.
Choco sassy.
All